Go to richnotohomes.com.
So let's go inside and have a look at this house. I'm actually excited because I don't think I've ever seen this one. This is from Neal Communities, and we are at Canoe Creek. It's beautiful over here. It's just very calm. Just kind of looking at all this, just really nice and peaceful sounding over here. We're out in Parrish, Florida, so let's go inside and check out this house. It's called The Dream. I don't know if I have a dream. If I do, I have one video of a dream. And if I've seen a dream, maybe it was inventory. Or maybe it was in the video. But not too often, so that's a good thing. I like how it looks already. And I think that most of the homes from Neal that I've seen are pretty nice. Pretty nice looking. They're different looking. And of course, always contact me first before you contact the home builder. When you contact the home builder first, you may lose your paid for by the builder realtor representation. So it's absolutely free to you to have me represent you because the builder pays it. Nice porch, I like it. Nice house when you first walk in, I like it. So you got a flex room off to the right, or a sitting room, which is this room. Here's your garage. It looks like this community's natural gas. HVAC closet. Let's see, what do you have? A walk-in closet here? Oh wow, this is nice. Wow, I like that. And big towel closet. Is this a full bath? Yes, it is, full bath. And of course, if you're thinking about purchasing a house, you always want to start with the mortgage approval process. You know, before you even start looking at homes and floor plans and all this stuff, you know, try to get some mortgage approvals. Try to get at least 2 so you have a second opinion. And of course, I can help you with that throughout the process, offer you advice along the way, so you can always contact me first and we can get started. Because there are sometimes bad approvals as well. And sometimes people get a bad approval and, you know, they actually believe what they heard. And sometimes it's not true. So always keep that in mind. When I say bad approval, meaning the person that was doing the approval had no idea what they were doing. So there's a lot of that in this business, a lot of people that don't know what they're doing.
Neighbors and friends come together to share a drink and a story of where life has led them that
Yeah, so it is. It's natural gas. I did notice that with the hot water heater in the garage. So, yeah, you got a gas stove. And I like this. I like that the table is like kind of like a little bit sectioned off.
exciting amenities and friendly neighbors. Come home to Canoe Creek.
Got the pool in back here. Now the homes don't come with pools. Like at most builders, they don't come with pools unless you buy a resort property like short-term rentals, those sort of properties. Those typically come with the pool. So the master bedroom, that's a big one. I'm looking at all this floor space. I know the camera's gonna shrink it down a bit and change how it looks, but yeah, it's a lot of floor space. So let's go check out the walk-in closet. Yeah, big walk-in closet. And here's your master bathroom. Oh, there's another closet. Look at this. Isn't that nice? So I got two closets, and here's the toilet in the closet, but this toilet in the closet has a window. So that's good. Good to see. The shower. And I really like these kind of showers. Two sinks with some nice space in between. You can see they stuck a fake plant here. Another shot of your master bedroom.
That would meet your expectations to carry on the brand and the heritage of the organization.
Our competitors are all public builders with their home offices located somewhere else. We at Neal remain unique in this region because we're the Neals, and we live here and work here every day. We have a personal interest in the homes and communities which we built, and we want it to reflect our personal values. I should never have to.
All right, so let's walk out and talk about this house. You know, who is this house for? Well, if you want a single-story house, and you want a single-story house that has two closets, because remember there's a closet here, and then there's a closet that's off in the master bedroom. This could be the house for you, because you don't always see two closets.
You know our decisions.
So I think that's really nice. And I also think that if you want a decent lanai, and I probably should have the camera over here, this is a very decent lanai too, because you can see they have the tables set up. So there's one table, so you could easily put out like a barbecue, a table to eat on as well, a separate table, or like two tables. Meaning if you had a few people over, you could have two tables outside easily. And the living room and the kitchen and the dining room is nice. It's all kind of like sectioned off a bit. But this definitely isn't, the largest house. So I think that it's a good choice. Somebody that wants potentially a house that's not super large, but is very practical, because I like this, that there's the two bedrooms here. There's one here, and then the walk-in closet was right here. So you had that, and then there was the other one was over here with the walk-in closet. So I think that it's pretty nice because it's more so towards the middle of the house and not like at the front of the house. So a little bit more quiet potentially. But also too, there is this flex room that you could use as a bedroom if you need it. So it's pretty much a 4-bedroom. And check out my website, richnotohomes.com, and check out this communities page. At the bottom of it, you will